In this tutorial, I'll show you how to scrape Google Maps location details using N8N. Instead of manually collecting business data, you can automate the process using the Google Places API or a scraping API inside your workflow. Start by opening N8N and creating a new workflow. Add a manual trigger or schedule trigger depending on whether you want to test or automate the process. Next, add an HTTP request node. This is where you will connect to the Google Places API or a trusted third-party API that provides Google Maps data. Now configure your request by adding your API key and setting parameters like search keyword, location, and radius. For example, you can search for restaurants, gyms, or cafes in a specific area. Once configured, execute the request to retrieve location data. The API will return details such as business names, addresses, ratings, and contact information depending on the endpoint. After receiving the data, add a set node to organize and clean the output. You can extract only the fields you need, such as name, address, rating, and website. If you're working with multiple results, you can add a split in batches node to process each location one by one for better control. Next, store your results in Google Sheets, Airtable, or a database so you can easily manage and analyze the collected data. Run the workflow to test everything. Make sure the API returns correct location details and that your data is properly formatted. Once everything is working, activate the workflow. Your system will now automatically collect Google Maps location data based on your defined search parameters. And that's how to scrape Google Maps with N8N using an API. Configure your search, process the results, and automate location data collection safely and efficiently.